Third is the mouth become tight. Sometimes it becomes so tight that it cannot be opened to enter the food into it. The gums of the teeth becomes weak. Teeth get carious. Disability becomes weak. Lungs become weak. Breathing capacity decrease. There is possibility of developing cancer diseases. Illness of heart increase. High BP increase. Artery becomes narrow and diseases are developed speedily. The possibility of the paralysis and gangrene are more. In pregnancy, the embryo is affected adversely. Nervous system is stagnant. Adverse effects are seen on all the organs. Life quality decrease. If there is someone near the cigarette smoker, the smoke enters in his breath of that one, which have adverse effect in some proportion. In the world, every 6 seconds, one individual dies because of the utilization of tobacco. Now, health framework at village, city, district, state and national level. ગ્રામ્ય નગર જિલ્લા રાજ્ય અને રાષ્ટ્રીય સ્તર પર સ્વાસ્થ્ય સંસ્થાઓ. The first one is health framework at village level. At village level, the basic facility of the health strength and doctors and expert and the facilities affecting the health like drinking safe water, gutter, latrine facility, road, light, etc. are less in comparing with cities. From about 30,000 population on primary health center and one doctor along with his team are provided. Under primary health center, 5 to 6 sub centers are provided, keeping in mind 5 to 6,000 population of each sub center. Primary health center are connected with general health center and district hospital for intensive service. Over and above all, at this level, selfless service health institution and private medical dispensary are also there. Second is health framework at city level. At city level, there are government hospitals, general hospital centers, and other health facilities. City health centers are providing treatments for basic illness, vaccination, enhancements, family welfare works, area cleanliness, and removal of the dirt. In city hospital, basic medical service operation, admitting the patient in the hospital, the treatment facility are given by the expert. Over and above, there are hospital with the spirit of service health institution and private hospitals, medical dispensary and laboratory also are there at this level. The third one is health framework at district level. जिला स्तर पर स्वास्थ्य संस्थाएं. There are district level hospitals, medical service and health institutions which provide all the service regarding health. Over and above a district level hospital with spirit of service health institution, private medical dispensary and the laboratories which give services. Fourth one is health framework at state level. राज्य स्तर पर स्वास्थ्य संस्थाएं. The Health and the Family Welfare Department of the state organize national health program and gives guidelines regarding the implementation of policy and law and keep the supervision and give guidance at state level. The health framework at national level. At national level, the Ministry of Health, Family and Welfare gives the health policy program and the services regarding the formulation of the laws. The Government Medical Research Institute provides laboratory services at this level. Over and above the services of national level, medical institution with spirit of service and the services of private medical institution also are available at this level. Institution with spirit of service of health and health education. स्वास्थ्य અને स्वास्थ्य शिक्षण में की संस्थाएं. Here we know that along with the government framework from the village to national level, the institution with spirit of service and private institution also give their service regarding the health in different forms. The institution with spirit of service are established by the individual with spirit of service and selfless motive. This institution do their work without taking any material profit in the activities of health. In Gujarat, there are few such institutes. These institutes stay along with the people. They try to understand their problem. At a particular place, if they find any dispensaries, they go there and give the service. Some institutions work in the areas of treatment in the city. Some institutions work at the village level, especially in the backward district and talukas. Such institutes has our work has supplement the health works done by the government. They are as under Trust working in Banaskantha and Patan, Seva Ruler working in Jagadia in Bharuch district, Anjali working in Ranasan of Sabarkantha, Anandi working in Panchmahal, Seva Chetna and Samvedna working in Ahmedabad. This institution with spirit of service are like the lighthouse in the health programs. These institutions are spreading their service light in the remote places where no type of service is rendered. Such small institutions giving their service in the field of health are worth to be honored. Now there is an exercise. In exercise, MCQR is given here. The first one, who had invented the Ayurvedic therapeutic method? The answer is C. Saints and Sages. Second, what is called the expiry date of medicine? The answer is C. The date after which medicine cannot be used. The third one is, what is the name of the institution working in Ranasan of Sabarkantha with selfless service? The answer is C. Anjali. Fourth, how many levels are there for health framework? The answer is C. 5. Which therapeutic method has side effect? The answer is D. Allopathy.